What initiatives exist in the USA? Particularly in the United States, the term "the projects" refers to public housing developments or housing projects in an informal and colloquial manner. Usually supported by the government, these complexes offer low-income or underprivileged areas subsidized housing. Let's see some of the projects that are coming up in the U.S. Number 1. Edwards Sanborn Solar Storage. In Kern County, California, the Edwards and Sanborn Solar and Energy Storage Project was awarded to Mortenson as the complete engineering, procurement, and construction contractor by TerraGen LLC. This includes both the solar and energy storage portions of the project. 3,320 megawatt-hours of energy storage and 875 megawatts of solar power make up the project. At present, it is the biggest solar and battery energy storage project to accomplish this feat on its own. Only in America are we able to take arid soil, harness the sun's power, and produce an engineering masterpiece. Thus, give it some thought, appreciate the excellent work that has been done, and comprehend the importance of this project and its potential outcomes. Number 2. Double-decker in Miami. The I-395 double-decker in Miami is a massive undertaking that is not expected to be completed until 2026. The first double-decker highway and bridge will be built in Miami, which would improve city traffic and routes. The Miami-Dade Expressway Authority and the Florida Department of Transportation have a terrific proposal to provide individuals with an additional, quicker, and safer route to work. This massive project, which will take 4 years to complete and cost approximately $840 million, will help Miami greatly and create work for a large number of people. A single rail will be able to cross Tom downtown, thanks to the bridge. People in the vicinity will be able to travel and commute more safely, thanks to the addition of bike lanes and rail crosswalks at Miami, Omni, and Edgewater. As a result, by allowing traffic to enter and exit the Midtown Junction from above, this will make driving on SR 836 and I-95 safer. Overall, more space, better architecture, and better organization will allow visitors, locals, and those who commute to work every day to save more time, gas, and effort. Number 3. Buffalo Bills Stadium. The Buffalo Bills have chosen Gilbane Turner, in partnership with 34 group and arc building partners, to handle construction management for their new NFL stadium in Orchard Park. Legends Project Development, the project management company, and Populous, the designer, make up the entire project team. A new 1.35 million GSF open-air stadium, an 18,750 SF ancillary structure, the demolition of the existing stadium and associated site development are all part of the project. A minimum of 60,000 seats will be available at the stadium, with additional space available for larger gatherings. Suites, ledge seats, clubs, and other high-end seating options are examples of premium spaces. Modern video and scoreboards, a sound system, offices and lockers for administrative and event staff, broadcast facilities, a team store, locker rooms, food service kitchens and concessions, signage, sports lighting, maintenance and storage areas, a plaza, parking, and site landscaping are all features of the stadium. Number 4. Amazon HQ2. Amazon has announced that its plans for a second headquarters, or HQ2, are on hold. This comes after years of contentious preparation, a dramatic competition that put U.S. communities against one another, and assurances of unshakable devotion despite the epidemic. The firm announced today that it will postpone building almost half of the millions of square feet of space that will be part of the campus that is slated to be built in Arlington, Virginia. This includes a twisting skyscraper that is intended to serve as the city's emblematic structure. Amazon, which is now terminating over 18,000 corporate employees, has not provided a new timeline for the resumption of construction in Arlington, Virginia, which is located across the Potomac River from Washington, D.C. Christian Dorsey, the chair of the Arlington County Board, says the county was only recently informed of the scheduled hiatus and is unsure when work will start again. Additionally, Amazon refused to give a time frame for when the building would start again. Vice President of Global Real Estate and Facilities at Amazon, John Schuttler, states, "We remain committed to Arlington, Virginia, and the greater capital region. Our second headquarters has always been a multi-year project." Number 5. the Tunnel Reservoir Plan. The Tunnel and Reservoir Plan of the MWRD, commonly referred to as the Deep Tunnel, or TARP, is a network of enormous reservoirs and deep, large-diameter tunnels. The purpose of TARP is to lessen floods, enhance the quality of the water in the rivers in the Chicago area, and shield Lake Michigan from pollution brought on by sewage overflows. During wet weather, TARP collects and holds mixed stormwater and sewage that might otherwise overflow from sewers into rivers. Before being discharged into rivers, the TARP water is pumped to MWRD water reclamation facilities for cleaning. A total of 110 kilometers of tunnels, ranging in diameter from 8 to 33 feet and situated 150 to 300 feet below the surface, are part of the TARP project. The 4 TARP tunnel systems collect and transport stormwater and combined sewage to the McCook Reservoir in Bedford Park, the Majewski Reservoir near Elk Grove Village, and the Thornton Composite Reservoir near South Holland. Number 6. Lincoln Yards. Lincoln Yards is a bustling new development that will link Chicagoans to more than 50 acres of riverfront that are sandwiched between Wicker Park, Lincoln Park, and Bucktown, 3 of the city's most recognizable districts. The Lincoln Yards development offers Chicago a historic opportunity to enhance a sizable, underutilized plot of land for the benefit of locals, companies, and tourists, to revitalize a closed industrial site in the North Branch Corridor in Chicago, creating a thriving mixed-use community where Chicago can connect by bringing in new and upgraded transportation, businesses, and residential buildings, as well as parks and open spaces, among other amenities. Building on the past to strengthen our future, establishing the relationships that will lead to more growth and opportunities. Lincoln Yards is situated along the North Branch of the Chicago River in the heart of Chicago's North Side. Number 7. LaGuardia Airport redevelopment. LaGuardia Airport has had an $8 billion makeover, making it the first major new airport constructed in the U.S. in the past 25 years. On June 4, 2022, Delta's brand new Terminal C opened for business. The vast new terminal, which nearly doubles in size compared to the 2 terminals it replaces, houses 37 gates in one roomy structure with a single arrivals and departures hall that boasts floor-to-ceiling windows, cutting-edge technology, and concessions with a local flair. After 6 years of development, the completion of Terminal C is just the most recent milestone in the creation of a whole new LaGuardia, a true gateway worthy of the region. It happens just a few months after the new Terminal B's passenger facilities are finished. Terminal B was named the world's best new airport when it received the UNESCO Prix Versailles in 2021. The $8 billion project began construction in 2016 and is financed in part by private investment. Number 8. Project Connect. The goal of Project Connect, Austin, Texas's proposed transportation plan, is to offer a thorough and well-connected public transit network for the city and its environs. The Capital Metropolitan Transportation Authority, Capital Metro, is working with community organizations and local government entities to design the plan. One of the fastest-growing cities in the country, Austin, has increasing transportation needs. Project Connect seeks to meet these needs while also promoting the city's quality of life and economic prosperity. A variety of transportation choices are included in the plan, such as enhanced local bus service, bike lanes, and pedestrian infrastructure, in addition to high-capacity rapid transit lines like light rail and bus rapid transit. Number 9. Samsung. To develop its cutting-edge high-performance computer chips, Samsung is constructing a new chip facility near Austin, Texas. Advanced System on a Chip, or SoC, devices are produced in a facility called a semiconductor fabrication plant. These devices find application in a variety of electronic products, such as data centers, laptops, and smartphones. With the latest in chip manufacturing technology and methods, the new Samsung chip factory in Austin is anticipated to be among the world's largest and most sophisticated semiconductor fabrication operations, producing chips with exceptional performance, efficiency, and functionality. Number 10. Texas Bullet Train. The Japanese Shinkansen bullet train technology will be used to build a high-speed rail line in Texas, and the U.S. federal government has granted a planning grant to this project, which has seen delays and soaring prices. The 390 kilometers separating Houston and Dallas may be traveled in 90 minutes by the proposed train service. Texas Central, a private firm, is the primary developer, with technical backing from Hitachi and Central Japan Railway in Japan. Plans are to produce rolling stock and other equipment, modified to Texas specifications, originally intended for Japan's Shinkansen bullet trains. That's all for today. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. Also, express your valuable thoughts in the comment section below. Also, spend some time watching other videos on the channel. Until next time, bye.